Hello, English 111 students, Johnston Community College. There you are. Look at that. Woo! Summer 2019, week 6. Fantastic. I hope everyone is having a wonderful summer thus far. And here we are with moving on with this class. Yes, fantastic. Okay, so what are we doing this week? Well, we're going to review some concepts on revision because as we do these feedback assignments where you get a chance to look at other students' assignments, sometimes students say, "Oh, my paper is really good, so I'm not going to make any revisions." No, revision is actually part of the writing process. It is a necessary step. So this video right here is actually kind of a fun video to watch. It kind of helps you understand the concepts of why that is important. So I think you'll actually enjoy this video. So what are we going to do this week? Well, you're going to post your first draft of the argument paper by the 24th. So last week you were introduced to the argument paper, and so you're going to upload your first draft to the discussion board. You're going to go down here, and just like before, you're going to upload your peer reviews. Again, there is the feedback guide found in week 6, which, oops, that's not it. I'll go back to that in a second. So again, to create this, you're going to hit create thread, and then you give it a subject, blah, 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 and then you would upload your first draft, okay? So that's how you upload that. Then once you've created a thread, you'll be able to see other people's information. So you need to post your paper by June 24th. Then starting on June 25th, you'll start reviewing 2 other papers. And then you have to give your feedback by June 27th. So that is important for that week. So again, here we are in week 6. So like we've done in the past, you're going to upload your paper to the discussion board, and then you're going to give feedback to other students. Okay, please note the dates here. Okay, normally you just 24th is when you have to have your first draft due, and then the feedback is due by the 27th, which is a week from really the start of this week, okay? And then also here is the peer-reviewed sheet that you can use to help you figure out what is feedback you can give to your fellow students when it comes to their argument paper. What else are we doing this week? Well, Portfolio 9. Portfolio 9 is where you're going to post your topic for the last paper, which is Compare Contrast Paper 2. So we did Compare Contrast Paper 1 a couple of papers ago. And then you're going to, for this one, you're just going to explain what your topic is. You're like, but wait, Professor Morgan, you haven't explained what Compare Contrast Paper 2 is. Yes, I haven't. Correct. We're going to do that next. So here is the assignment right here, and we're going to kind of go over it. So Compare Contrast Paper 2. This is your last paper that you have to write for this paper. It's kind of like a combination between the compare-contrast paper and the argument paper. So once again, we're going to take the kind of the best of both worlds, where you're going to basically pick 2 things, really, and state that one is better than the other. And the difference here is that the first compare-contrast paper, you got to pick the reasons why. Okay, you didn't necessarily have to do any research and explain or give reasons why one thing was better than another. But for this one, Compare Contrast Paper 2, you're doing the same thing, except for this time you have to do research. You have to do research, and actually you need at least 3 sources, 3 scholarly sources to back up your points. So again, Compare Contrast Paper 1, you pick between 2 things, and then you pick 3 things of why one's better than another, and then you just kind of gave your reasons why. Argument paper, you picked a topic, and you said, this is the best thing to do, and here's 3 reasons why that I found because I did research. Now, for Compare Contrast Paper 2, we're going to say, okay, well, one thing is better than another. Here are the 3 reasons why, and here's my research to back it up. See how that works? So you need to have research. This one needs to be at least 4 pages long and have at least 3 scholarly sources in MLA formatting. And here's some more information that you can read on your paper. This is one that was assigned by the school, and so everyone who's taking 111 needs to be doing that same assignment. Yes, you are welcome. So there. Yeah, so for this week, again, what you're going to be doing is you're going to finish writing your argument paper, upload it so that you can have your peers look at it and give you revision. You'll watch some revision lecture. Then you're just going to kind of think about what your compare-contrast paper and what you want to write on, and put that in Portfolio 9 to kind of give me an idea of what your topic is, just so I can figure out the reason, what your topic and why. Okay, why. There it is right there, why. That's why you're going to get to your 300 words. So that's what we're doing for week 6. All right, so there you go, and have fun.